wonder how far that old Evinrude or that old Mercury 2-stroke sitting on the back of your old fishing boat can go? Well, it depends on the boat, how it's built. That determines how fast it can go. This is the 2021 NGK Power Boat Championships held here in my hometown at Lake Havasu. And on cool events like these, I always crash them, sneak in, grab footage, and I'm here to tell you their story. These are F1 tonneau boats, the hardest turning surface vehicle on the planet, only beaten by an F-16. It can reach peak speeds up to 130 miles an hour on straights and can turn a hairpin at up to 3 to 5 Gs. Not even the most elite sports cars on the planet can achieve this. They weigh 1,700 pounds, motor, vehicle, and person and fuel, stock Mercury outboards, pushing anywhere from 280 to 300 horsepower. Let's see what they can do. All the boats are running stock V6 Mercury, safety checked, inspected, so there's no horsepower advantage, it's just pure skill. Who can turn the fastest? Because really everybody's making a fast pass on the straights, but it is the turns that determine who gets passed and who gets lapped even.
With the chest, beating on my chest, trying to get my rest. Watch me while I flex. Every win is a blessing, and every L is a lesson. So when I run into rejection, I know it's only redirection. I see the blessings right beside me. The chances of quitting unlikely. I do it like I'm in my Nikes. Don't make excuses, they never excite me. Boxes, boxes, I cannot fit in the boxes. Stop it, stop it. Quitting was never an option. Exhausted, exhausted. This passion is never exhausted. And you cannot stop it. Nah, you cannot stop it.
The key to the successful turning of these boats is their tunnel design, with catamaran-like fronts that dig into the water when they break, which gives them a dig to turn and pull the way they do in the water. But sometimes, if you don't do it right, things happen. Hitting the buoy results in a 1-lap penalty, pretty much sealing the nail in the coffin for your chances to win any race, and on top of it, you have to pay for the buoy. But hitting a buoy is a small mistake compared to some that happen. When your boat flips at 130 miles an hour around a hairpin turn, bad things happen. One thing car races never have to put up with that boat racers always have to put up with is an ever-changing terrain. The water is always uneven. The sheer force of the wreck on the turn was so powerful it ripped off the top of the boat and the top of the motor cowl. But the driver is safe and unscathed. Nothing's hurt except for his fillings and his pocketbook. There are 3 classes of boats at this race. The F1 tunnel boats we saw, and also the F-Lite tunnel boats, which we are about to see next. Followed by the tri-hull races, which are exceptionally interesting, so stick around for those, because that's where it gets fun. These are Formula Lights? And then the Formula 1 tri-hulls in
their final. Whoever wins this gets the trophy and the money.
Oh. Formula 1, Formula Lite, and tri-hull. Okay, thank you.
Johnson and for Evinrude, 100 cubic inch fishing motors.
Sweet.
Yep.
All right.
They had it on the ski boat and the fishing boat 30, 40 years ago. Called SSD 45.
Okay, are they smaller than?
Smaller than the F1, yeah.
How big are the motors?
They're 50 horsepower, cylinder.
50 horsepower? Okay.
Yeah, 44 cubic inches.
On that small little boat, huh? 50 horses on that small boat?
The whole thing weighs, with the driver, 700 pounds.
Is coming apart. Oh, he took out a balloon. That poor balloon. Destroyed that buoy. All right, get back out there, dude. Get out there.
celebrations, and I ain't fishing, I ain't really into baiting. I know they all wish I take away they made it, but...
So as awesome and fast as these boats are, to a lot of people, they're not even the main event. It's these boats, the tri-hulls. You ever seen a tri-hull boat with a roll cage? You're about to find out why. Let me know in the comments section which class of boat you like the best. But don't do it until you see these guys go first, because it's quite a sight to see as we see these guys gear up and go at it. Stay tuned.
With the 99 and Evinrude is really cruising out there on the shores of Lake Havasu. He's way out in front right now. Will the Mercury is shooting leading well. Being aligned to have the speed. They catch up here the team.
These boats can't go anywhere near as fast as the Formula boats, but what makes them fun is this. The sheer amount of turbulence that comes with the tri-hull ripping through one by one, piling on top of each other, and trying to take these turns at a hairpin. Some of them actually do a pretty good job. The chances of a boat flipping or crashing or just overall boat damage in general is far more likely in this event than all the others. So naturally, more people want to watch it. The gentleman in 99 wins this event, but this is not the main event. All boat classes go in groups and compete against each other for points, leading to the main event where everybody competes. So the gentleman won this one, but the next one is a championship where he'll have to go against everybody else who won in their squad. And now it gets interesting. As expected, 99 is at the front of the pack, but there's a serious contender right to the left of him in that white boat, a 17-year-old kid who came here to take it all. Seeing them in groups racing to the final was turbulent enough. This is utter chaos. They're everywhere. They can't avoid each other. They're doubling up. That 70-year-old kid in that white boat right there, turning around the yellow one here on the pin, he's starting to lap people. He's so fast. I don't get what he's doing differently that everybody else isn't in all the chaos, but he's seriously gaining momentum. 99 was strong at the beginning, and slowly, I think, started getting sucked into all the chaos. And I think there's some problems with the boat. He drove off the course for a minute, and then I think he came back in, and so hopefully he can catch up. But I think he's down a lap or so. But you can see him burning there in the corner across all the others, trying to eagerly catch up. That guy at first is about to lap. He just lapped the green boat. Is he gonna get out? Is he up? Somebody get in there, dude. Oh, they got him. They got him, I think. I think they're leaning him in. I think they just got him in.
He'll be gone with that in just a second.
Oh, it's gonna sink.
Like Yeah.
Oh no, come on, pull it before it sinks, go! Pull it, get it out. No, dude, that thing is gonna sink. No, are they gonna deflate it? Hey, that's why you should always have a bilge pump.
We believe something happened. I don't know if that happened because of the water, but his roll cage is broken on the boat. You see it like being limped over, the rescue driver trying to fix it. He did drive off the course and then he came back and then went around a few times and then rolled the boat, unfortunately, but he's safe. And the bigger thing is that 17-year-old kid won it all. Won the money, won the trophy, and took all the glory. That was a pretty awesome event. Definitely worth watching. All 3 classes were awesome. This was a fantastic event. It was all weekend. So stay tuned. We hope to see you next year at the same time. Stay safe out there, ladies and gents. And whether you're using these old Mercs and old Evinrudes for fishing or racing, just get on the water and have fun. And if you break down, make sure there's a really cool jet ski to push you off the course.